Welcome back. Today I'm machining the aluminum blank for the Wavy American flag. It all starts with a solid piece of 6061 aluminum. We begin clamping the stock and serrated vice jaws. I like those because they grip this material very securely while requiring very little excess stock, which allows me to machine 5 sides of the part to the final dimension. I am still using that touch probe that I made a couple of videos back. I just put powder coating tape on to break the electrical continuity. So like most projects, we're going to face it with the 2-inch face mill. I did some testing and I found that my machine performs much better taking full depths of cuts with small radial stepovers instead of shallower cuts with large stepovers. If you remember, you could usually hear my spindle bog way down doing the other way. Now the tool stays happier, the spindle doesn't bog down as much, and the finish is actually a lot better. And then of course we finish with a chamfer. That inheritance machining guy was definitely correct about that. And I have to give this little dynamite, which is probably 30 years old, a lot of props for the finishes it could still make. Now we're going to throw in some parallels and then flip the part over for operation 2, which would be removing the top. Once the blank is complete, all that left in machining wise is the stars, stripes, and final contours to bring this flag to life. If you watched last week's video, you'll recognize the next section. I wanted to include it here so the video shows the complete process from the raw block of aluminum all the way to the finished American flag. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoyed the build. And if you like CNC machining projects like this, please consider subscribing. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep making videos like these. Thanks for watching.